Hey guys, this is Patrick George here, and I'm just bringing a little quality test. The program I'm using is fraps. A few of you gamers might be familiar with fraps, but I'm just trying it out anyway. I'm not looking at the gameplay. I've not got a good game and then recorded over it. This is like completely like boom. I don't know what the fuck's gonna happen. And as I said, I'm not talking about the game, so. Oops, I'm not talking about the game. I will pause because I concentrate, but I should, after a couple of commentaries, get out. Oh, you fucking, I should get out of the habit of that. So yeah, I'm just testing myself. And yeah, as you may know, if you've seen my other video, I've started a new clan on Steam called Badger, and it's like not competitive, just a bit of fun. Yeah, it's a bit of fun, and we don't mind who joins. Anybody can join. You just have the people that are in the on the Badger Gaming YouTube, and yeah, you can join. We don't care if you're good or bad, because I'm shit. I've only been playing computer gaming for 4 days now, and yeah, so I'm not going to be very good. I'm getting better though, definitely getting better. Yeah, we play Counter-Strike, Zombie Panic. That was a fail. Zombie Panic and Gmod. We're gonna buy some more games and stuff like that. So I think I might leave it here now. But if you could subscribe and rate and stuff like that, and comment, like, cause this is my first ever commentary, you could obviously give me some tips and stuff like that. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and I'll hope to see you later.